today's story is the 3 Little Witches.
Burn them! I'm not a witch.
It's an interactive book by Preston, Laura, Beth, Awesome, Nally, and me. It's a pop-up book.
Yay!
Oh my word, I'm not sure if I'll be able to do this. Let me try and fix it here. Stay up, go down. Down. Okay, you two. Disobedient. Fire. Okay. Once upon a time, there was 3 little witches. They were ugly.
And one of the witches' names was Adele. And as you can see, she's cooking. And right now, she's cooking eggs.
And there's a torch outside that sets fire to the rain.
Yeah. And she's cooking eggs, but she's holding the pan with her hand because
there's a fire starting in her heart.
Because there's rubber on the handle, so she can touch it because rubber is an insulator.
Oh,
but the pan is metal. And that's how the eggs are being cooked.
Okay, and you see, Adele is stupid. She made her house float. But when the breeze comes, we need someone to pull this tab down. We're going to find someone who's really nice and quiet.
I think Chloe, she raised her hand very politely.
Chloe? Okay, Mia, you can pull the tab
Put someone in the back.
It's a story about witches.
Yes, that one.
Yes, you are.
Pull it. Oh, yeah.
Pull it.
That's cool. Frank, we're ninjas.
There's a reason it's called three.
And the heat in the air, that's the convection because the heat in the air made the house catch on fire, so now it's dead.
Okay.
And so is Adele.
Oh.
Thank God.
Okay. Now get disobedient fire. Disobedient fire, get back in there.
Disobedient fire, get back in.
Thank you. Okay, the next little witch, her name was, I don't know, Lady Gaga. And she lives right there, yeah. And Lady Gaga, she rode in a train once, and she noticed that there's a conductor. Now, what's a conductor?
Someone who operates a train.
Or just like a train, just like someone who operates a train, a conductor makes things go too. It makes heat go through it. So when they touch, the fire will transfer heat to Lady Gaga's purple doored house.
Radiation.
Who would like to pull this tab at the bottom?
No, conduction. Not conduction.
Who's been a good little boy or girl? Damon, have you been a good little boy?
Girl.
He's been a good girl. Who else has been a good little boy or girl?
Isabella's been a good boy.
Have you been a good
A
boy?
good witch.
Okay, you would come pull that
Yeah. This one? You just sound like Pull it. Oh, the fire went up and it's burning the house.
Yes.
And now that witch in her house is dead.
Yep, and then the last one is Justin Bieber, who is really a witch. Now, radiation, the sun's ray gets... Quiet down, little children. You're being naughty. Justin Bieber is a tiny little witch. And so,
With a squeaky little voice.
and the sun gets heat to Earth, gives heat to Earth using radiation. Radiation is radiation. It's when it doesn't touch. And so we can use a magnifying glass to transfer heat. Now, who wants to...
I was touching the fire.
No. Who wants to pull down the magnifying glass?
I would have killed Justin
Who would you like?
You better hurry.
Damon.
You better hurry.
It's
David, come on.
It's a trap, Damon. Don't do
Pull
it.
it. Pull it. Watch this. This is genius. This took me hours. Boom. Naughty fire. Naughty fire.
I know,
This took me hours.
He slipped out. Stupid fire.
And the sun's ray came through the magnifying glass onto the house.
But Justin Bieber got away to die another day. He went into witches galore. And so the funny thing is, it has a lower temperature but since he is the transfer of energy, he doesn't feel it because the particles are so far apart. Any questions?
I have a question to ask a little boy down here.
Yes. Thermometers. Yes.
Thermometers. Now, would
Okay.
you care to explain that to us?
No, don't. And there could be 3 different measures, like yards, kilometers, and yards. This is in Kelvin. This is Celsius plus 273, I think. It sounded like I was close.
You probably are.
This one is Celsius. It's at 100, and the next one is Fahrenheit. It's at 212. These are all the same temperature, but written differently. Now go down.
Good
Okay.
job.
Okay,